What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the "You need the official WhatsApp to use this account" error message on your mobile device. This issue can be particularly troubling, especially if you're using WhatsApp for essential communications. First, we're going to disable Play Protect. Google Play Protect is a security feature that scans your device for potentially harmful apps, but it can sometimes flag and interfere with legitimate apps, including WhatsApp. To disable Play Protect, open the Google Play Store app on your device. Tap on the profile icon at the top right corner and select Play Protect from this menu. Once there, tap on the settings icon, also located at the top right corner. You will see two options enabled by default. Go ahead and disable both of them to turn off Play Protect temporarily. Next, we need to clear WhatsApp's cache. This step is crucial as it removes temporary data that might be contributing to the issue. To do this, navigate to your Android device's settings, then to the App section. Either search for it or scroll down until you find WhatsApp. Tap on it and then select Storage. Here, you'll see the option to clear cache. Tap on it. After clearing the cache, check if the issue is resolved. If the problem persists, the next step is to uninstall and then reinstall WhatsApp. Please note that uninstalling WhatsApp will delete your chat data unless you have it backed up. To uninstall, press and hold the WhatsApp icon on your home screen and select Uninstall. Or do it via the App section in your device's settings. After uninstalling, head over to the Google Play Store, search for WhatsApp and install it. This step often resolves any lingering issues by ensuring that you have the latest official version of the app. If, after trying these steps, you're still facing the problem, it's time to reach out to the WhatsApp Help Center for further assistance. Head to whatsapp.com/contact. Here, determine your WhatsApp version and then click on the Contact Us option. Proceed to provide your details along with a description of the problem. A concise yet detailed message will help the support team understand your issue better. And that's how you can fix the "You need the official WhatsApp to use this account" error. These steps should help you get back into using WhatsApp without any further interruptions. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.